In this video, I'm going to show you 6 simple hacks to clear up a ton of storage on your Android phone. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Device Care. On some phones, this may just be called Storage. Now, go ahead and tap on the Storage option. Scroll all the way and look for Trash or Recycle Bin. This collects deleted files from your gallery, Files app, and more. Tap into it. Now tap Select, then select All and hit Delete All to permanently remove everything in the trash. This alone can free up a surprising amount of space. Next, you want to exit out of Settings and go to Google Play Store. Tap your profile icon in the top right, then tap Manage Apps and Device. Then go to Manage tab, tap on the Filter option and switch it from Recently Updated to Least Used. This shows apps you rarely use. Go through the list, select the ones you don't need, tap the trash icon and uninstall them. Some system apps cannot be removed, but many can, so go ahead and uninstall those applications. Now, you want to go back to Settings and Storage again. Here, tap on Show More to expand categories. Here, select Other Files. Here, you might see things like pending files, hidden backups, or uncategorized data. Tap Select All and try to delete them. Some may not be removable, but clear what you can. Then go back and check other categories like audio, videos, images, documents, installation files, and compressed files. For each one, press and hold to select files you don't need, then delete them. Now tap on Apps inside Storage. Tap the filter icon and sort by size. This shows which apps are taking up the most space. Tap on a large app like Instagram or CapCut. Go to Storage and tap Clear Cache. Do this for multiple large apps to free up space without deleting important data. Keep in mind, some apps may not have cache to clear, and that's normal. Finally, go to Storage and look in System Storage. You won't be able to manually clear this, so if you want to clear it, simply restart your phone. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.